Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then place your first log. Open your project and start a simulator or connect a device. This ensures logs are delivered. Next, inside a component function or lifecycle method, add console. Log, debug, variable so you capture state or props. You do this now because early logs verify data flow. Once done, save and proceed to run the app. Make sure to log concise, descriptive messages so future searches are easier. Once the app is running, you need to view those logs. Use the Metro Bundler terminal for quick output or open device logs, a DB Logcat for Android or console, app for iOS. If you prefer an editor, attach VS Code Debugger to see console output inline. This enhances context. Make sure to filter by your unique tag or component name so you only see relevant lines. This focused approach speeds debugging and prevents you from missing intermittent issues while you iterate. To finish, expand logging where needed and then clean up. Use console, warn and console, error for severity and console, table for arrays or objects. These help you understand structure quickly. Before shipping, guard logs with if dev or remove them to avoid leaks and performance hits. If you don't see output, check the bundler is running, verify the device connection, and clear log filters. Often the issue is a paused debugger or mismatched app PID. One tip, restart Metro and rerun the app to reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.